Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the grammar, and in grammar, one of the most important topic, affix. First, you need to understand about affixes. What are affixes? After that, you will get root cause of using the affixes. Now, first understand what does the word affix mean. Here, I have taken the heading affixes. Go with the first definition of affixes. It stands for a letter or letters. Here, such letters, the letters that don't provide a complete sense, also considered semi-word. A letter or letters, that means semi-word, are added to beginning and ending of any word are called affixes. How you will understand about here? You are getting some of the words. They such words are from the part of the affix, and after that, shortly you will understand what is the work of affix, in what way affix performs its function. Now, first I am providing you some example. On the base of your example, you will understand. Just example. Suppose this is the word educated. If you are using a word here from here, UN, then this is providing a different sense. What the sense the educated was providing, now it is not providing the same. Now it is providing the completely opposite meaning. Just example, next example, if you are taking here bench, and if you are adding letters yes, then now this noun has changed its form. Now this noun is working as plural form of noun. Actually, for your better understanding, we are going to shun such affixes in the depth. Now you will understand shortly. As a matter of fact, you need to understand affixes in what way they function. Here you are finding the affixes function their work into two ways, like prefixes and suffixes. When a root word, when we are adding something in the root word, then we can add a word in two different standards, in two different ways. Such words you are seeing, such words are from the affixes. Some word we are adding before, this is known all about prefixes, and some words we are adding at the ending moment of the word. That on that occasion, such words function as suffixes. And here you need to understand in what way you will use the word. Before that, you need to understand when we add prefixes in the roots word, then what happens? They function totally different. That means totally opposite. They perform totally opposite meaning. Actually, if they are giving the knowledge of the positive direction, if you are adding the word prefix with such words, after that they word completely give the opposite meaning. That on that occasion, they after the adding prefix, then they word will give negative meaning. Almost 90% of words, if we add prefix, then they perform or they give negative meaning. And almost 80% in words, if we are adding suffixes, they change their meaning. They change their speech, parts of speech. They change their standard. Somehow they change themselves in noun, adjective, verb, adverb. In such way, they are changing themselves. Now, shortly we are going to understand in what way they are changing. Just I am presenting a function here. Now, you are seeing some words have been flashed on the board, and on the base of such options, example, you can understand they are functioning as prefixes and they are functioning as suffixes. In what way they are doing, and that means in what way they are making their business. A word honest, when we have a dis just before the word, now it has given a complete different meaning, that is complete opposite meaning. Now the person's character has been changed. Now if the person was completely a gentle being, now the person became unusual being, because in the theme of his character, he had lost his quality and he completely changed his quality, positive to negative. So same words, they are following their function as you are seeing, and after that in suffixes what you are facing here, there was a singular noun and we have added s, then now it will function like all. Now after that, this is not all about the way it was. Now it has changed its number singular to plural. Same situation is happening with the joy, care, train, bright and beauty. Here you will understand what happens. Actually this word is working as a verb and noun, but actually when we have added ful, word, letters, full ful, then now this noun and verb has changed its function. Now it is functioning as adjective. Same situation is happening here. It is functioning now as adjective. This is as well. Now this is functioning for noun and this is for adverb. So that means they have completely changed their style, their way of living. Briefly I am telling you what happens, how you will understand that this word is not, it was a noun, now it has changed its dimension into adjective, verb, any other form of the participle speech. Actually if you are adding noun with full ful, then it will function as adjective. You are adding a noun with less, it will function as adjective, and same situation noun with ly. Sometimes adjective, most of time it always function like adverb, but here it working as adjective. And same what happens when we function ness with a noun, then the word functions like noun, and beauty, noun plus fully, it is now functioning as adverb. So dear students, now we have briefly introduced about affixes, but when we will be face to face, we will complete all kinds of difficulties and all kinds of worry. So you have need to complete your affixes section and don't make it vacant. Thank you very much.